Hey Logan, what are you doing? You fell with the egg? Good job.
Oh.
What is it? Humidifier egg, Mom. Oh, I like it. You do such a good job at it. I love it. You're really good at it. And you're so helpful.
Better than Dad. Dad always spills it.
Yeah, Logan does a great job at it. I love it. It's very important to keep our noses nice. Because it gets so dry in the winter.
And then you get the bloody booglies.
Good.
Perfect.
Good job.
Perfect. Get it?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. There it goes.